Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna give you some dislikes I have with the LG Wing. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I want to talk about the dislikes I have with the LG Wing. I've been having the phone for almost a month now, and there's a couple things I don't like about it, and I just want to have a discussion. I want to let my subscribers know, and anybody watching this video or thinking about picking it up, what are some of the things I don't like about the phone? These are the things I don't like about the phone. If you have it and you don't like something else that I mentioned, please let me know in the comments below. Or if you agree or disagree, let's get a discussion going. But also, if this is your first time to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that way you know when I drop my latest video. Also, follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. All right, so let's get into this video. Yes, there's a few things I don't like. The first thing I want to bring up is the overall battery life on this phone. I can get through a day, but it's just not the excellent battery life I was getting like on the V60, my Pixel 5, the Pixel 4a, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. The battery life is okay on this phone. It's just not the greatest. And I understand. I use the swivel mode a lot. And yes, I use it almost every single day. Anytime I'm watching YouTube or something, I'm always watching YouTube videos and then looking at Twitter at the same time. So I understand that, yeah, it's doing a lot for the battery. I just wish I was getting a little bit better battery life. I'm getting between like 5 to 5.5 hours of screen on time. Again, which is not horrible. I just want more. I don't know, maybe you disagree with me on that. Let me know in the comments, but battery life has been one of the biggest disappointments. The next thing, as you can tell, I have a case on the phone. I know every phone now is a glass back. Yes, I understand that too. But when you have the Pixel 5, the Pixel 4a, I have other phones. This thing is a fingerprint magnet. I know everybody's gonna be like, oh, that's what you get with glass. I understand that, but other phones this year that I had attract less fingerprints than this thing. You need a case on here because without a case, the phone is slippery. I mean, I dropped a couple times without a case on there, and it still works too though, by the way. I don't know, make a different material in the back, do what Google did. Come on, LG, I know you can do it. Again, these are not deal breakers for me. I'm not going to return the phone because I have any of these problems. I'm just mentioning these so that way if you're looking to pick up the phone, these are the things that I'm having a problem with. Again, it may not even be a problem for you. Do your homework if you're deciding to pick up this phone or not. Make your final decision. The next thing I want to discuss is the speaker on here. I wish on the top, when you swiveled it, I wish they had some type of speaker at the top. I don't know why they didn't do it. Maybe they couldn't put it up there or not. But the bottom facing speaker, it's okay. It's just missing the dual stereo speaker that you'd think LG would have. Again, I'm not an engineer. I don't know if they could do it that way. I mean, the earpiece is there. I don't know. Maybe they could do it a little bit better. The sound you get from the bottom facing speaker is okay, but you do cover up that speaker a lot when you're trying to hold it, especially if you don't have it in swivel mode. I don't know. I might even do a speaker test coming up. I'm not impressed with the speaker. Again, if you have the phone, let me know in the comments what you think. The next thing is just another little problem I have with the phone, and I understand when I got it is a first gen, first of the type phone. I know the app developers will have to catch up, but there's not enough apps that use these dual screens properly, and I understand that it will get better even in the second generation. I know they will have more app development that will actually use both of the screens, but LG can also do some work with their software because when you swivel it up, you can see the animation. It's a little slow. I mean, does it get on your nerves? A little bit, but it's not horrible. But look, that's just that delay. But hold on, let me do this too real quick. Now this is the best part about swiveling it too though. I do like that sound. Just that little delay. Look, let's do it one more time. Just that little delay can, I don't know, sometimes it gets on my nerves. I had somebody else mention it when I was showing it to them. They're like, "Ooh, what's that delay? I don't like that." So since they actually said it, I kind of noticed it myself. LG can tweak the software, maybe with some updates they will make that a little bit faster. I just wish they had more apps when this phone came out. I know it will. Have patience. I can hear y'all telling me now, have some patience. Trust me, I'm an LG fan, and this phone is great. But this video is not about what I like about it. I'm gonna come back and do that video next. The last thing I'm not impressed with is the overall camera for nighttime. I guess I've been using the Pixel 5 so much. The nighttime video and photos you get from this phone are not amazing. They're okay. I mean, again, everything's okay, but when you are spending $999, I was hoping LG would fix the nighttime video and photos and compete with Google. It just doesn't do it. You can check out my camera test. I will have the link in the right in the card. Also, I might put the link in the description. Check it out. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the cameras at nighttime. I'm just a little bit disappointed with the nighttime photos and videos that I got from the phone. I was just hoping for a little bit more from LG. I still have hope that LG will fix it and make it better. I just wish the nighttime photos would be a little bit better. This video is going way too long than what I wanted to. I always talk way too much in my videos, but those are the things that I dislike about the phone so far. I will keep y'all informed if anything else comes up. Like I said, I've been having a phone for about a month now and I'm really enjoying it, but those 5 things are some of the things I really don't like about the phone. If you're looking to pick it up, I hope this video helped you a little bit. Do your homework, decide if you want to pick up this great phone. And one more thing, can your phone do this? That is so cool though. But if you like this video, like I said earlier, give it a thumbs up. And to the next video, peace. I'm out of here. Check me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Peace.